me where to go. Tell me where to go. I'm just playing.
Hey friends, we back with another video. Are you about to keep making that noise? We back with another video. I'm waiting on Tifa to come. Pretty sure she'll come sometime today. But we doing the no talking, all smacks mukbang. So if you have anything, any questions, anything, just leave them in the comment section. Anything you want to talk about next video, but this video we're not talking. You're just gonna be seeing us eat. So if you don't like just watching people eat, it's not the video for you.
Bro.
Oh, let me tell you. We never ate here before. This is from Straight Drop on Pearson Street. It's highly recommended, but we've never eaten this before, so you'll know if it was good if we made it through the video. Okay. Wanna do a thumbnail? What are you doing?
Dancing.
You like being lit every video.
Cool.
Yeah. Oh, my hand in your face.
Here you go over there trying to.
Okay, no talking, all smacking.
Got something there now. Okay. I got something there now.
There's no talking. Oh yeah, I feel like when people tell her what it is, they're just eating, honey.
You see me trying to touch it with my finger.
Mm-hmm.
Sit your dog up. You go right here?
Yeah.
Big old potatoes.
I ordered. They're good.
Bad.
Y'all, we tried to do the challenge and we failed because your hair. What is it? Which one to open? The crab is not bad, but I would not be eating here again. I'd rather spend the extra money at Hook and Reel. We're going to do this challenge again.
I left my finger up, that's why I'm putting my hand like that.
That's why she keeps saying, I don't my finger. I stabbed her. I don't know. Maybe because they were just crowded today. Maybe because it was crowded today. This wasn't the best plate, but we ordered Queen Albert. If y'all know about their food, this is not a cheap order. So we will not. I'm not saying don't go, cause Tifa like the sauce, don't you, baby?
Yeah, it's true. It's true.
She think the sauce is good.
My hammer. How you do?
I peeled this one for you, baby.
How you do it though?
You don't need scissors for this,
What?
cause these just regular crabs.
You nuts.
Love you.
I give it up this.
Get a good bite on camera. You ain't getting no good bites.
Pretty my magia. Yes. Oh, shoot.
You see that? Oh, I can't get it because of that. It looked like your arm is like so close to my face. Look how you eating. Move, you prisoner.
What's that? Oh, that's the thing. Bro, you ate one of your lobsters?
Mm-hmm. You want to try both of yours?
Mm-hmm. They good.
You want it?
You know I don't eat lobster. They good.
Yeah. This is the only time we probably have a difference of opinions, but this is not mine. It ain't for me. But you like it, baby.
Tell them it ain't what's up?
What? What? Now she's so dramatic. I'm about to be on with this mukbang.
Hey, what's up? What's up?
Hook and Reel.
There ain't no Hook and Reel, guys. It ain't no what's the other place too? It ain't Hook and Reel or
Tasty Crab.
Tasty Crab. I miss Tasty Crab, man.
What we spent on this, we have so much more food from Hook and Reel and Tasty Crab.
Oh, excuse me, I'm sorry, y'all.
Now with both of them closed, this is a decent option, but I think it's too much sauce for me and not enough food for that price. The best thing on here for me is the potatoes.
Oh, nah.
And the corn. This is some good corn, I'm not gonna lie.
That lobster hit me. lobster is eating. Want something? Not playing. Lobster is real. Yeah, see like that.
How y'all like this new setup? Y'all like being closer to us or?
I like being close to y'all.
I don't know.
This is my last free right here. I'm done.
Me too. I've been done. I'm over here. I'll start with the baby. Nobody can see you.
Let me touch your phone with this.
What is that, 10? Oh, how you do that? Yeah. Chief said you're not gonna say bye?
Peace. Look at my mouth. It was pretty straight, guys. I'm gonna let Bae do what she do. I'm out. Bye out. Peace. I'm tired too.
You just flick off my people.
No, I definitely.
Huh?
I said gooses.
Oh, okay. But y'all, I'm about to be out. Masai, we need to record when you sleep. So y'all get a visual what we ate. This is what's left. We got some shrimp, potatoes. This potato is bomb. Too much sauce on it. That's how much is left. So you can tell it was definitely enjoyable. But I think I'm just gonna spend the extra money at Hook and Reel. I just want to address that I'm never going to address it here. Y'all just want to see the video when it comes up when I address it. But look out for our next video. Thank y'all for being so supportive. Peace.